can I buy another Rolex, baby? I'm just, oh my gosh, another pump to the upside. Somebody quick blow on that thing. It's continuing to just absolutely demolish the shorts to the upside. I love what I'm seeing here. The key is to be open-minded. A lot of people can't see this, won't even consider it, and act like it doesn't exist. And again, maybe it doesn't. You know, there's a chance. And what I don't love is if you don't get the bounce, this head and shoulders starts to become a lot more real. And if that head and shoulder is real, my oh my, you got to start thinking we're going to come test 101.8 now, right? So that just is, you know, that's on the table. And I see it for what it is. I wouldn't run from it. We would have to embrace it so we could take the short if needed. So let's see. Let's see if daily support can hold here. 112.3, really right where we're at, 112.1, 112,000 really. See if we can get this bounce, turn this into an ascending triangle. If that happens, if we see in the next 2 days, if this just bounces even a little bit, it's going to get people to think that we're not bearish anymore. And the altcoins can, see, it's like altcoins are like a horse. Someone keeps letting out but pulling back and letting out and pulling back. Every time Bitcoin shows signs of like 2%, yeah, right, ha ha ha.
Some important federal government data have been delayed due to the shutdown. Public and private sector data that the risk to be assessed and managed. Our obligation is to ensure that a one-time increase in the price level does not become...
Oh, nice pump to the upside for Bitcoin. Inverted head and shoulder to the upside.
Risks to inflation are tilted to the upside.
That shoulder, head, right shoulder.
To the downside.
Adam and Eve cup and handle. Adam and Eve double bottom there. The entry was beautiful. That entry was beautiful. That I'm kind of looking at as we begin the morning. But let's take a look here. 10 a.m. and it's a red day. Here I am in the red suit jacket, the red shirt, the red tie, and the red pocket square. It's a red day, man. It is what it is on this Thursday. So can Bitcoin get back above 108,003 on the month? That's just, I'm waiting. Just that's the one thing. If it can do that, then there's a glimmer of hope for the bulls. If not, I mean, a huge wick to the upside too as well. Like, it's very confusing. But I have to remain more bearish every time we're below monthly support. So that's, to me, I become more of a bear. I mean, look at that. That kind of looks like an M pattern there on the 2-week chart. Hope we just whip here on some low volume. We're just playing games. But if you get 2 more red candles below this 200 moving average, it kind of says that today might end up being that slanted Bart Simpson there. A Bart Simpson is Bart Simpson's head. See how it looks like a spiked head, just like Bart Simpson, right? So they're, you know, not the best Bart Simpson, but you get it. All right. So this is my Halloween costume. Okay. So you can't say I didn't jump on into the festivities today. You know what I mean? I want to be ready for the contact, man. Crypto lifer away. Okay, moving forward. Shout out to all the lovers of on the 1 hour, and they'd already kind of played games with it. This does look to me like a diamond, and a diamond that comes in from the bottom dumps down the bottom. So I really feel like we could extend this diamond, kind of talk about it like this. So that you could say, no, it broke out the diamond. It's already on the way out, and it's just retesting. And that's going to be a big deal, actually. If the next candle opens and doesn't open green, we could be in some trouble. The bulls, at least, not the bears. The bears will get paid, and they'll be celebrating. Look, I still see this kind of like a bearish retest of that bigger trend. Mixed signals here, and could this be a flag that breaks out? I still see the shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. We defied it with this little green move here. Like, we've been talking about this consolidation for a while, and last night I said I like it. I said a move is coming. And you guys must have been excited when I got off the live stream, and then you saw Bitcoin pump from 109.9 all the way up to 111,261, only to take it all back around 7 in the morning. And then we go to the 15-minute, which is hugging the 200 moving average. And then we just showed you kind of what the 15-minute. And so you'd be looking for this to head back to the top of the channel and just at least hang out for the next, I don't know, 9 to 10 hours till Monday night, where we can eventually then break on out as the market starts to kind of resume this bullish trend, if so to speak. Otherwise, it is a Bart Simpson, and we'll come and test this, you know, this double bottom, and then if we lose that, it's a bear flag that's likely going to go. You can already see kind of where it's likely going to go. Yeah, it lines right up there with 100,000. So, you know, we could start the dump this week. It just, you know, be careful. I don't want to say it's dumping for sure. I know nothing but the fact of my own ignorance. I want to say that again. I know nothing but the fact of my own ignorance. I have no idea where Bitcoin's going. But I will tell you, all the signs that I see are bearish. Shoulder, head, right shoulder. Like, that's bearish. Shout out to all the lovers of...